Hi guys, this is Mo Magallanes. Our topic for this video is how to motivate yourself every day. So stay tuned guys. Okay guys, do you know how to motivate yourself on a daily basis? Well, kanina kasi guys, nag-reminisce ako ng mga nangyayari sa akin for the past year na pinasok ko yung line ng industry natin na ito. And I found out na ang dami ko na palang nalalamang how-tos. Target marketing, attraction marketing, ano ba, branding, di ba? How to sponsor effectively, how to answer objections, and more. Alam mo kung bakit? Dahil motivated ako every day. Alam mo kung bakit? Because this thing, the how-to thing, is the result. Because I am motivated every day. Okay, how to stay motivated every day? Know your why. Alam mo kung bakit? Because 95% of a person, they are focused on how-tos. Diba? Kaagad. Okay? They are focusing on the how-tos. And when they find it, they didn't do it. Well, ang daming ko kasing kakilalang networker or internet marketer na bumili ng isang product. Okay? A how-to product. Pero pag tinanong mo, ano natutunan mo dun sa product na yan? Ano natutunan mo dun sa training videos na yan? Ano natutunan mo dun sa how-to at courses na yan? Alam mo kung ano yung answer nila? Actually, hindi ko pa napapanood eh. Actually, hindi ko pa natatapos basahin. Actually, wala pa akong time. Actually, may trabaho kasi ako kaya hindi ko pa siya mabigyan ng time. Alam mo, simple lang naman yung dapat mong maintindihan. If you know your why, the how-tos will be easy. But if you don't know your why, this will be hard. Okay? Let me give you a simple metaphor. Let's say meron akong in-approach na isang farmer and then inofferan ko siya na isasali ko siya sa isang company. Kasi na kinabibilangan ko for free. I will give him an account for free. Okay? Kung gusto niya ng 7-header, okay, sige, bibigyan ko siya niyan. Bibigyan ko siya ng free account for 7 header. Okay? But the thing is this. Meron akong kondisyon. I have a condition. Okay? May kondisyon, syempre. Kailangan mong makapag-sponsor ng 30 person in just a month. Posible ba yan? Posible yun eh. Okay? But he is a farmer. Okay? I will give you a chance na makasali sa company na nabibilangan ko for free with 7-header. But the condition is this: 30 direct referral in a month. Hawak ko ang pamilya mo. Pag hindi mo nagawa yung 30 direct referral in a month, I will kill your family. Joke lang po yun. It's just a metaphor. Do you know what the farmer do? Okay? Sa tingin mo ba, gagawin yun lahat. He will give his best, whatever it takes, to get the 30 direct referral. Okay? Para mailigtas yung pamilya niya. I think it's yes. Dahil, yun yung why niya. His family. Okay? He can learn that target marketing, attraction marketing, branding, how to sponsor, how to handle objections. Because he know his why. They will read about it. They will learn about it. Okay? They will train himself to know this, how to think. Because he know his why. You know what? Gusto kong mag-isip ka katulad ng farmer na yon. Okay? Bakit mo ba ginagawa yung mga bagay na to? Okay? Bakit mo kailangan matutunan yung mga how-tos? It's because of why. Your dreams, your family, financial freedom, time freedom. You get my point? Again, if you know your why, the how-to things will be easy. If you don't know the why, the how-to will be hard. Pag alam mo yung why mo, every single day, na pagising mo sa umaga, okay, inalala mo yung why mo kung bakit mo ginagawa, bakit ka pumasok sa industriyang ito, bakit ka naging network marketer, internet marketer, bakit mo ginagawa yung mga bagay na yan. I guarantee you, ang gagawin mo, you will grab your book, diba, about target marketing. You will watch the topic about attraction marketing, branding, how to sponsor, the objections. Okay? You will learn these tools, okay, these how-tos, how to things, if you know your why. Every single day, na pagbangon mo, alalahanin mo lang yung why mo. And I guarantee you, you will stay motivated every single day. Okay guys, so I hope marami kang natutunan sa simpleng video na ito. And I hope ma-share din natin to sa mga friends natin na hindi pa nakakaalam ng kanilang why. Okay? Kaya wala pa rin sila neto. Actually, they are both important in our industry. Okay? Okay? But this thing, the how-tos, will become in a reality. Magiging realidad mo tong mga bagay na to. Okay? Ma-adapt mo yung mga bagay na to. Malalaman mo tong mga to. Mai-implement mo sa business opportunity mo kung alam mo yung why mo. Okay? So, I hope marami ka talagang natutunan on this video. And you can share it to your friends. Okay? Kung meron ka mga friends na hindi pa nalalaman yung mga bagay na to, you need to build your foundation. Share it to them. Okay? Give and give and give more, guys. Okay? May kapalit yan. So, you need to share this video, okay, para mas marami tayong matulungan. Okay? Kung meron kayong suggestion, comment, or kung gusto nyo mag-suggest ng topic na itatakal natin sa mga video trainings ko, free video trainings ko, you can suggest anything sa comment box below. Okay? Actually, thank you kay Doms na isa sa mga downline ko na and follower ko na nag-suggest ng topic na ito. How to motivate yourself every single day or every day. Actually, yun nga, pag alam mo yung why mo, every single day gagalaw at gagalaw ka. Okay? Para malaman mo yung how-tos na to, ma-implement mo at kumita ka. Okay? So, I hope marami kang tutunan talaga. Okay? So, if you find this video helpful, then hit the like button below. Okay, guys? If you want to become successful in this industry, need to ask for more wisdom and have passion on what you do. Be unstoppable. Bye.